I recently received this Artnaturals 4-piece serum set from the brand. And what I like about this set is the idea of having everything in one routine. Vitamin C, retinol, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. Each bottle is clearly labeled, so it's easy to know which one to use when. The textures are lightweight and absorb quickly, which makes layering simple. The vitamin C feels bright and refreshing in the morning, and the hyaluronic acid adds a nice boost of hydration without feeling heavy. The niacinamide has a smooth, calming feel, and the retinol is something I use at night since it's meant for evening routines. I also like that the bottles come with droppers, so you can control how much you use without wasting product. With four full bottles, it's enough to last a while. Definitely more than just a few weeks. If you're someone who enjoys a step-by-step skincare routine or wants to try these popular ingredients in one bundled set, this makes it easy to fit everything into a simple morning and night routine.